Because October is the month of Mary and the Rosary, I want to offer reflections for the next 4 days on the various mysteries of the Rosary. And so today I'll offer just a couple of brief reflections on the joyful mysteries. We all know what the joyful mysteries are: the Annunciation, the Visitation, the birth of Jesus, the presentation in the temple, and the finding of the child Jesus in the temple at the age of 12. As we pray these mysteries, I would invite you to reflect on a couple of things. First of all, these mysteries tell us that God raises up the lowly to accomplish his will. So the joyful mysteries are about Mary and Elizabeth and Joseph. They're about Bethlehem, a stable, shepherds. Certainly not the type of things we would think about when reflecting on how God accomplishes his will. And yet, that is exactly how God accomplishes his will, through those who are lowly. Secondly, the joyful mysteries remind us that God uses our humanity to accomplish his will. God's Son came to earth as a human being, as a little child named Jesus. And through Jesus, God was able to establish his reign on earth, the reign of God, and to free us from the bonds of sin and death. God uses our humanity to accomplish his will as well. And so I invite us to reflect on how we can help to spread the love and mercy and forgiveness of God through our own flesh and blood, just as Jesus did. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these reflections to be helpful. I hope you have a safe and healthy day.